Today, we're exploring a futuristic and fun concept. Will the future have the technologies we dream about today, like an anywhere door? You know, like the one from cartoons such as Doraemon, where you can instantly travel anywhere just by walking through it. But if this technology were to become real, what would it mean for our world? Could it replace vehicles like cars, planes, and ships? Would modernizing transportation today be a waste of time? And what about privacy and security? Let's break this down, look at the potential benefits, and discuss how such a technology could be managed with rules and regulations. Let's start with the benefits of an anywhere door. Imagine being able to cut out all the hassles of travel. No more traffic jams, long waits at airports, or endless train rides. You could simply step through a door and instantly arrive at your destination. Think of the possibilities. You could visit family and friends across the world at a moment's notice, attend business meetings in another country without spending hours or days traveling, and explore new places without ever needing to pack a bag. Global productivity would skyrocket because travel time would be reduced to seconds. Companies could expand internationally without worrying about costly and time-consuming flights. Tourism could flourish since people could visit more places in less time. Medical emergencies would also benefit enormously. Doctors could instantly transport to hospitals across the globe, or patients could be transferred to specialized care centers in seconds, potentially saving countless lives. Another benefit, environmental impact. With anywhere doors, the need for fossil-fueled vehicles like cars, planes, and ships would plummet. This could drastically reduce global carbon emissions and pollution, leading to a cleaner, healthier planet. Think about it. No more airplanes burning fuel in the skies, no more cars congesting our cities with exhaust fumes, and fewer ships polluting the oceans. But there's more to this idea than just convenience. Living arrangements would change too. People could live far from crowded urban centres, in rural or remote areas, and still easily commute to work or access city amenities. This could reduce overpopulation in cities and spread out the population more evenly, improving the quality of life for many. Now, let's discuss how such technology could be built with safeguards in place. One of the biggest concerns with an anywhere door would be privacy. After all, if anyone could walk into your home or office, there would be chaos. To prevent this, strict rules and regulations would be necessary. Access control systems could be designed where the anywhere door cannot enter private properties or residential blocks without permission. Homes, offices, and private areas could be fitted with security barriers that block entry unless the user has been granted access. Similar to how we use keycards or smart locks today, the technology could also be connected to a global network of authorized destinations. Think of it like a travel app where only approved, safe locations are accessible. You could register your home as a private space, making it inaccessible to others, while public areas like parks, hotels, or commercial districts would be open for everyone. To further enhance security, governments could establish transportation hubs for public access, ensuring people can only teleport to designated areas, much like train stations or airports today. Additionally, the anywhere door could be built with tracking features that monitor where users go, preventing criminal misuse. For example, law enforcement agencies could respond if someone tries to bypass regulations or enters a restricted area. Now, let's talk about the disadvantages or potential risks. One major concern is whether such a powerful technology could be abused. For instance, if it's not well regulated, criminals could use it to escape quickly, or hackers could manipulate the system to gain unauthorized access. Another worry is that it could make life too easy, reducing the value of travel experiences. After all, the journey is often as important as the destination, and instant travel might make us take exploration and adventure for granted. We also need to consider the economic impact. If vehicles, planes, and ships become unnecessary, entire industries could collapse. Millions of jobs, drivers, pilots, mechanics, ship crews, could disappear overnight. But at the same time, new industries could emerge to support and maintain this new technology. So, is it a trade-off worth making? Lastly, let's talk about how it might affect human relationships. On one hand, an anywhere door could bring people closer together. Long-distance relationships wouldn't be an issue, and families could stay connected no matter the distance. But would people lose the appreciation for physical presence and connection if it becomes so easy to visit others? What do you think? Would you want an anywhere door to exist? How do you feel about the security risks versus the benefits of convenience and efficiency? Would the disappearance of vehicles and planes be a good thing? Or do you think it would hurt the economy and job market? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to explore more futuristic technologies and their implications, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. At HelloFuture, we're always looking ahead to the amazing possibilities of tomorrow.